Are you looking for a brick 2-bedroom unit that is an easy flat walk to the shops?
Are you looking for something in the ever-popular suburb of Fitzroy? Hi, I'm Ashley James.
And I'm Chris Rasmussen, and welcome to 2 Vogel Street in Fitzroy. If you're looking for a property that is a very short stroll to Fitzroy Village, then this may well be for you. Literally, on your doorstep, we have all the amenities that Fitzroy Village has to offer. Restaurants, cafes, bars, retail shops and bakeries are also very convenient here. If it's not the shopping you are looking for, but the beach, lake, school, sports clubs or the beautiful coastal walkway, then in this location you will not be disappointed. The property itself was built in the 1980s, has brick summit stone exterior, aluminium joinery and provides a single garage with internal access. There's plenty of scope to add flair on this one. And in this prime location, why would you not want to live here? I'm Chris Rasmussen.
And I'm Ashley James, and we look forward to your inquiry.